So we're partway through our disassembly. Thought we'll just share a quick video. Rear subframe, probably an area that everyone's dreading, being moulded plastic. Interesting little detail you can see. That's the air temperature sensor. So we've got a bit of aluminium in here, and we've got aluminium, I think, along this rail up into about here. So it mounts. So it's how they used to do the factory Husqvarna bikes. They used to do structural aluminium inside the moulding, but this area, no aluminium at all, just this plastic sort of honeycomb. So reasonable job to replace as well. You wouldn't want to be breaking that regularly. Who knows what the cost will be as well, because that piece goes all the way through into there, all your electronics and stuff out.